Unleash your potential. Welcome, my friends, to this journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Today, I want to inspire you to unleash your true potential, to break free from the chains of doubt and limitation. Are you ready to embark on this transformative adventure? Let's dive in. We often underestimate the power within us, the incredible abilities that lie dormant, waiting to be awakened. It's time to tap into your limitless potential and become the best version of yourself. Remember, greatness is not reserved for a chosen few, it resides within each and every one of us. Throughout history, countless individuals have faced seemingly insurmountable challenges, yet they persevered. They chose to believe in themselves when others doubted them. They embraced failure as a stepping stone towards success. And so can you. Life is a series of hurdles, and how we approach these obstacles defines who we become. It's not about avoiding failure but embracing it as an opportunity for growth. Each setback is a chance to learn, adapt, and come back stronger. Remember, success is not final, and failure is not fatal. Embrace your uniqueness, your talents, and your passions. The world needs your authentic self. Don't be afraid to dream big and set audacious goals. Believe in your ability to make a difference, to leave a lasting impact on the world. Surround yourself with those who inspire and uplift you. Seek mentors and role models who have walked the path you aspire to tread. Let their stories fuel your determination and ignite the fire within you. Remember, success is not a destination but a journey. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Each step forward is a testament to your dedication and resilience. You have the power to create a life of purpose, joy, and fulfillment. So, my friends, as you venture forth on your path, remember that greatness resides within you. Trust in yourself, embrace challenges, and let your light shine brightly. Unleash your potential and make your mark on the world. The time is now. Believe in yourself, for you are capable of extraordinary things. Go out there and make your dreams a reality.